Welcome folks to the video of Hollywell cottage in Kilfenora, County Clare. This cottage is located right on the edge of the picturesque village of Kilfenora, which is only 100 metres up over that hill. And large paddocked area to the rear, just under 1 acre, offering expansive views of the surrounding countryside and Burren region. Here is the field to the rear. You can see excellent road frontage, could have excellent site potential. Right back into this corner here, and here's your septic tank. It's a lovely little paddock area, as you can see, used for animals. And here, view from the back of the cottage. So we'll proceed into the internal section. Small portrait, and then straight into the reception area. As you can see, property requires work, but planning in this location is extremely difficult to obtain. Into the side here we have the old kitchen, full ceiling to floor head height. Small single room to the rear. Traditional open fireplace. And the back section, which is a good sized, generous double bedroom. And beautiful original feature fireplace. We will proceed to the rear of the property, which is part of the flat roof extension. It's the old oil burner, back door access here, and we're into the bathroom. So there we are folks, this picturesque little cottage located in the heart of Clare's Burren region, within walking distance of all amenities of the picturesque village of Kilfenora.